Okay, so I welcome you all to our last session. This is a keynote talk, and we have Dr. A. Tawfiq Ashiari. He is an associate professor in networks and communications. He is currently in Birmingham City University, UK. So the title of this keynote will be Connecting the Future, Internet of Things from Fundamentals to Multidimensional Applications. Dr. Tawfiq Ashiari is a lecturer, that is an associate professor in networks and communications in the Center of Electronic Warfare, Information and Cyber, Cranfield University, UK since February 2017. Previously, he held position at the University of Bradford, National Chiao Tung University, and Bell Laboratories Alcatel-Lucent, Germany. He also held visiting appointments at the University of Stuttgart Institute of Telecommunication and National Chiao Tung University Information Theory Lab. He spent his doctoral study at the University of Cambridge, UK, where he was affiliated to Trinity Hall and received the PhD degree in Information Theory in 2012. Dr. Ashiari is an associate editor of IEEE Access and a fellow of the Higher Education Academy, UK. He has published over 15 research articles in top-tier IEEE journals and conferences. His research work received the Best Paper Award at the 2014 International Symposium in Wireless Communication Systems, jointly awarded by IEEE EURASIP and CTTS. He has served as technical program committee and session chair in a number of international conferences and has been frequently invited to review articles in leading journals and conferences. He also has given talk on research as keynote speech, guest lecturer, and invited seminars in various institutions worldwide. So without further delay, I am inviting Dr. Tawfiq Ashiari, and I'm not sure, I think I have mixed up your affiliation. So maybe you can make it clear where you are right now. Okay.
Well,
Thank you.
yeah. Okay, so let me share my screen. So I hope my my screen can be seen by participants.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Okay, first of all, good morning, almost afternoon in the UK. Good evening, I think, in Bangladesh, or afternoon, and good afternoon or morning for people all over the world. So first of all, thank you very much for inviting me to give a keynote speech. The title of my talk today is about IoT. The vision is how we connect the future. So I try to structure my talks from the fundamental science into the applications. Okay, so just to probably give a bit of a review on my profile. So in terms of educations, I got my first degree in electrical engineering from Nanyang Technological University in Singapore in 2007. And then I got my PhD in information theory at Cambridge University in 2012. So it was a very interesting journey where I transitioned myself from engineer as a background, moving towards theory in my PhD, and then currently I'm working across the two sort of interrelated areas between theory and applied research. So I'm currently associate professor. So this is equivalent to reader position in the UK, Birmingham City University. So currently, I mean, sometimes people from outside the UK are a bit confused about the academic structure in the UK, because actually there is no universal structure. So different universities, they have like a kind of a different structure. So some universities are still using the old system where they have the lecturer, senior lecturer, reader, professor, but some other universities, they are starting to align themselves with the American structure. At the same time, I'm also being honorary visiting academic at a number of institutions, including the Cranfield University, with a link to the Defence Academy of the UK. Also Birkbeck College, University of London, in their cybersecurity lab, and also last but not least is positions at Coventry University. Okay, so this is overall my research profile. So I was trained as information theorist by nature from my PhD, and then I moved forward into different application areas spanning from wireless communications, 5G, molecular communications to very direct applied